UNgqongqotjhe uLindiwe Zulu uthi uyazazi inhlilo zomphakathi ngokubhadalwa lada kwemali yesibonelelo sikarhulumende. Uthi lesi sizathu sokubana ahlanganisa isiqhema esifaka hlangana umnyango wakhe, iSASSA, iPost Office nePostbank ezokuqalelela umraro lo.
Common to their calls was the complaint that they cannot access their grant money due to connectivity issues and malicious cyber attacks. While these challenges have since been resolved, some of them, I formally raised my concern with the Minister of Communications and Digital Technologies. We have since set up a task team comprising of the Department of Social Development, the Department of Communications and Digital Technologies, SASSA and SAPO and Postbank. And I know some members might say task teams. Yes, it's going to be task teams, because if we want to be focused on this, we need to pull everybody into one room.
iPostbank ithi iqalelela ukuqinisa zevikeleko kwezetheknoloji ukukhandela ubukirikitshani nokweba. Kanti iPostbank ibike ngonobayeni bona ilahlekelwe imali ebalelwa ku-18 million yamarand eyetshiwe ngobulelesi bamakhompyutha.
In terms of system failures, we have onboarded a cybersecurity team that has been helping us to strengthen our IT security environment. And also, as we've alluded earlier, we've moved the social grants into a much more better infrastructure environment, which we've also been relooking at all the security around it, strengthening that, and also making sure that the access points we can manage and control who accesses our systems, and actually we can block any threat timeously.
UNgqongqotjhe uthi ngoTjhirhweni bafumene imbawo zesibonelelo sama-350 ezi-13.5 million kwaphumelela ezi-8 million.